Hey everyone, this is Derek from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from somewhere in Asia, guys. It's a great time to be live, and we're going to be talking about what the heck happened for the crypto markets yesterday. We're going to be talking about that and much more. So if that sounds interesting, get ready to go down the crypto rabbit hole with OG in the house. Guys and gals, don't forget to go down there, smash the like, subscribe, and show some love. I would appreciate it. So it's early morning here. It's not even 7 a.m. I'm up early, guys. I'm up early, and it looks like we got another storm brewing, guys. Look at the nastiness out there. You can see the ocean out there. I mean, it just looks like we got a storm. Looks like we got a typhoon coming in to Thailand, and it looks like it's affecting us here in the night. So it looks like the weather's pretty bad. So let's talk about what happened. Let me get into the chair of knowledge out there. So what happened yesterday? We had the CPI data that came in, and the CPI data came out worse than expected. We all know that if you'd gone back and watched my other videos. And if you haven't gone back and watched my other videos, get over there and watch it. I appreciate it. So we did see that the CPI data was worse than expected. We did see that housing, transportation, food, everything was up. Everything was up compared to last month, and we did see that the markets they actually went and they dumped. After the announcement, we saw the broader markets dump. We saw Bitcoin went as low as $18,000 out there, and it almost broke the previous support that we had back in June, around June 18th, when Bitcoin went down to about 17,550. So we got pretty close to that. We did see that Ethereum tanked as well. We saw Dogecoin tank. We saw Luna Classic tank. We just saw everything just like suddenly wham. And I did talk about in my last two videos about the fact that every time we have the CPI data and the CPI data comes out negative, we often have a very violent reaction in the broader markets, a violent reaction for crypto, and then we have a settling. But yesterday what happened was really weird because we had a huge dump for the crypto, for the broader markets, which was to be expected. I mean, everybody expected that. But then suddenly, around about 11 o'clock, we did see a huge V-shaped recovery. If you go to the hourly, you'll see a huge V-shaped recovery for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trading around about 19,396, and that's exactly where it was yesterday. I mean, it's almost like exactly where it was yesterday. Pretty much the same story for Ethereum. Pretty much the same story for Doge, Luna Classic out there. Everything. I mean, BNB is back up. We're seeing ADA is back up as well, and everything had a huge recovery. So you're probably like scratching your head. Well, like what happened? Well, a couple of things that happened is one, a lot of people, they really knew that the CPI data was going to be bad, so it's kind of like baked in. So there was a knee-jerk reaction from that perspective, and after the dust settled, people are like, well, yeah, it's business as usual. Of course, Jeremy Powell, he's going to be hawkish. There's going to be a rate hike at the beginning of November. So people are like, yeah, okay, inflation again is up. Who cares? The other thing that really happened as well is that we saw that there was a lot of people who were shorting the market. In anticipation of the CPI data, a lot of people were shorting the market. And a lot of people are shorting the market because if they look at the historical response to the markets, be it crypto, be it the broader markets, we always have a huge dump when the CPI data is bad. For the whole month, we all know that CPI is going to be bad. We just have to look at the geopolitical situation. We have to look at what's been going in Euroland and the GBP and the DXY. So the probability, the absolute probability of the CPI being bad was there, and everybody kind of knew that. So a lot of people took a lot of short positions on the market, and what happened? There was a short squeeze. And what happened is a lot of the whales, what they did is they bought back these positions and that caused a huge cascading liquidation effect of all the short positions. So when the people who had all these short positions, when they got liquidated, what they had to do is they had to cover their losses, and they had to buy back their positions. So what that created is a huge short squeeze, and that is what pumped up the markets, guys and gals. So that is why we saw this huge recovery. And normally we don't see after a huge dump a huge V-shaped recovery like normally it's a dump, a little bit of a recovery, a sideways action. So this was kind of weird. So remember, we are in a bearish market. The overall trend is still going down. We are in a bearish market. So anticipate from here that we could have continued downward pressure on the crypto markets. We could be seeing that Bitcoin's going to go down even further. It could start to go down below $19,000 and stabilize around 18.5. That could happen. Because remember, once again, I will repeat myself, and I've got to repeat myself so you're listening, is that we are in a bear market. And we've been in a bear market for a very long time now. So it's going to continue on. The bear market's going to continue. Bitcoin will eventually, in my opinion, probably break down even lower. We're going to see most of cryptocurrencies break down lower. We're going to see things go down. And it's going to continue to be like this for some time. So guys, you're going to have to buckle up, get ready for that. Dogecoin is being Dogecoin. Dogecoin is just recovered back up to 6 cents, so that is pretty good out there. So I'm kind of like surprised and amazed by this whole V-shaped recovery. So what should you be doing right now? If you were able to buy, if you guys did buy the dip when the markets crashed, when the CPI data came out, then you guys are up right now. You guys are up probably anywhere from 7 to 10%, depending on what crypto you bought. So that's a big congratulations. Some people did take advantage of the dips. They did buy it because they knew that CPI was going to push things down. So that is good news. That is great news. So guys and gals, I know that cryptocurrency is getting boring, but you guys have to remember we are in a bear trend, and this is when millionaires are made. Millionaires are not made in the bull cycles. They're made right now. Right now, I'm telling you, right now, this is the best opportunity to create life-changing wealth. Is buy the dips, guys. Dollar cost average. Don't put all your money in at once. Never ever do that. Buy the dips. And wait. 2025 crypto is going to be going nuts, guys. It's going to be like 2021 on steroids, guys. So get ready, buckle up. I'll see you in the next one. Do not forget to go down there, check my freaking links out there, and share this video. What is going on? Where is everybody? Where's everybody? Share the video right now. I appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. That's all I got. Peace out.